Today start a new point, common system of amines. Look here, according to common names of amines, first write the name of alkyl group. First write a name of alkyl group attached to nitrogen atom and after the word amines. After the word amines. Look here, RNH2, simple. Okay, like this, aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amines. First write the name of alkyl group, means alkyl. After the word of amine, alkyl amine. How many words here? Everybody, only one words. Alkyl and amine both are, everybody, okay? Including the one word, no two words. Alkyl amine. Look here, everybody, here, the first example, CH3NH2. Look here, name of the compound here, methylamine. Methylamine. Next, C2H5. NH2, name of the compound, ethylamine. Name of the compound, ethylamine. Okay? Yes. Next, CH3, CH2, NH2. How many carbon atom here? A 3 carbon atom. Okay, in common system, by using the prefix N. Okay, by using prefix N means N-propyl. N-propylamine. N-propylamine. A next example, CH3, next CH, next NH2, next CH3. Look here. NH2 group attached a second carbon atom by using prefix iso. By using prefix iso. Okay, isopropylamine. Isopropylamine. Look here. Look here. Most important here, everybody. Isopropylamine is not a secondary amine, also primary amine. Isopropylamine is a primary amine, not a secondary amine. Why? Depending upon functional group, depending upon number of alkyl group attached to nitrogen atom of ammonia. Okay? This is not a secondary. Next example, CH3, CH2, CH2. Next. Okay? Next. Okay, 1 minute. CH2NH2. Correct. Name of the compound, N-butylamine. N-butylamine. How many carbon atom here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next example, next, CH3. Okay, CH3. Next, CH2NH2. Look here, CH3 group is attached to the second carbon atom by using the prefix iso. By using the prefix iso. You know here, iso. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4, isobutylamine. Isobutylamine. Next, all of you, CH3 next, C. Okay, CH. Next, the NH2. Next, CH2, CH3. Correct? NH2 group attached the second carbon atom by using the prefix here. By using the prefix secondary. Secondary butyl. Secondary butylamine. Secondary butylamine. Any compound containing a NH2 group, okay, which is the primary amine. NH2 primary amine. Why? Amino group. Why? Amino group. Next, CH3C, CH3, okay, NH2. Look here, NH2 group attached a tertiary carbon atom. Attached to a tertiary carbon atom means tertiary butyl. Okay, tertiary butylamine. Tertiary butylamine. Correct? All these are the primary amine. Why? Which containing, everybody, okay, which containing NH2 functional group. NH2 a amino functional group. Amino functional group. Okay. Look here, next compound. All of next. Next compound. Look here. like this, CH2, double bond, CH2, next NH2. Look here, group is everybody, we have CH2 double bond, CH2. What is this? The group is allele. Okay, allele amine. Allele amine here. Correct? Next. Look here, next compound, like this, H2 yan. H2 yan, CH2, and next is the NH2. Next is the NH2. Correct? Yes. Look here, name of the compound here. This is the vicinal dihalide, ethylidene or ethylene. Ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine. Okay, also primary amine. In case of aromatic compound, all of you, okay, like this, benzene ring, NH2, name of the compound, aniline. Correct? Okay. Look here, another aromatic compounds, next here, like, okay, NH2, and like here CH3. Look here, actually here, everybody, a para-toluidine. Okay, toluidine. Para-toluidine. Correct, para-toluidine. Okay, next compound, next. Like this, a lot of the, a common names compound here, okay, general compounds. Okay, only practice for common system of the amines. Like this. Okay. NH2. Okay, what is the cyclohexane? Cyclohexylamine. Cyclohexyl. Okay, hexylamine. Cyclohexylamine. Next, all of you, benzylamine. Benzylamine, like this. Okay, next, CH2. Next, NH2. Name of the compound here, benzylamine. Correct? Benzylamine. Look here, all of you. All these compounds are, everybody, all these compounds are the primary amines. Why identify this primary amine? Look here, okay, this compound containing a amino functional group means NH2 functional group, NH2. Okay, therefore all the compounds are primary amines. Look here, a common name of secondary amine. Next, a common name of secondary amine. Look here, a secondary amine. Look here, everybody, a secondary amines means which containing the two alkyl groups, same alkyl group or different alkyl group, aryl group or everybody, a alkyl groups attached to nitrogen atom of ammonia. Look here, a secondary amine, there are how many types? A simple amines and mixed amines. Okay, like simple amines means which containing the two same alkyl or aryl groups by using the prefix di. But in case of mixed amines, attached alkyl group or aryl groups, nitrogen atom of ammonia. Okay, write the name of this compound. Okay, name of alkyl group according to alphabetically order. A same alkyl group or aryl group by using the prefix di. But different alkyl group or aryl group, okay, give the name of compound according to alphabetically order. Look at simple CS3, first general RNH, okay, R. NH means, okay, imino group. Okay, this is the functional group of secondary amine, NH, correct? Yes. Name of the compound, dialkylamine. Dialkylamine, correct? Next. Look here, CS3, NH, next CS3. Name of the compound, dimethylamine. Okay, dimethylamine. Look here, next example, C2. Okay, C2H5NH. Next is the C2H5. You know, ethyl and another also ethyl. You know, diethyl. Diethylamine. Diethylamine. Next, C6H5. Okay, NH. Next is the C6H5. Name of the compound, diphenylamine. Diphenylamine. Look here, in case of mixed amine here, CS3, NH, C2, H5. Okay, alphabetically order. First ethyl and second methyl. Okay, alphabetically order means ethyl. Ethyl methylamine. Ethyl methylamine. Look here, next. Look here, next compound. Like this. NHCH3. Name of the compound here, methylphenylamine. Methylphenylamine. Okay, methylphenylamine. Look here, all of you. All these examples are secondary amine. All these examples are secondary amine. Look here, everybody, a third tertiary amine. A third tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. Okay. Look here, tertiary amine here. Tertiary amines means everybody containing how many alkyl group or aryl groups? A 3 alkyl or 3 aryl groups attached to nitrogen atom of ammonia. All the 3 alkyl groups or aryl groups are same by using the prefix tri. By using a prefix tri, everybody, a mixed tertiary amines, there are different alkyl or aryl groups. Okay, give the name of the alkyl or aryl groups according to alphabetically order. According to a alphabetically order. A same alkyl group by using the prefix tri. By using the prefix tri. Look here, R3. R3N. Name of the compound, trialkyl. Okay, trialkylamine. Trialkylamine. Next here, CS3. CS3, thiocyan. Trimethylamine. Trimethylamine. Okay. Look here, all of you. Clear the concept here? Okay. Look here, next. C2H5, thiocyan. Triethylamine. 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 Next example, all of you, next example here. Okay. You know CS3, next, NC2H5 taken twice. Look here, diethyl. Okay, what is it? Diethyl methylamine. Diethyl. How many ethyl group here? 2. Diethyl methylamine. Diethyl methylamine. Okay, next. C2H5NCS3 taken twice. Alphabetically order. Everybody alphabetically order. Ethyl. Okay, dimethyl. Ethyl. Dimethylamine. Next. CS3 N C2 H5 C3 H7. Okay? Yes. Alpha. Give the name of alkyl group according alphabetically order. First ethyl. Okay. Next methyl. N-propylamine. N-propylamine. Okay. Okay. One example. Everybody look here. One aromatic example. Aromatic amine. Like this. Like this. Okay. N, CS3. Okay, CS3. Correct? Yes. Look here, name of the compound here. 1 minute. Attachment of nitrogen atom here. N dimethyl. Dimethyl aniline. Dimethyl aniline. Correct? Look here, by using the N means attachment. Okay, N methyl. Okay, like this. N is a alkyl group attached to nitrogen atom. Correct? Yes. Okay. The common system of amine, the primary amine is secondary amine and tertiary amines. All the common names are completed. Okay. Okay. Thank you.